What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. We are playing some American Truck Simulator. If you guys watched last video, this is where we left off. I probably should put it in the gear first here. Alright, so, this is where we left off last time. So yeah, thank you all for watching. If you would like, on your way out, hit that, like button if you would. Helps out the channel algorithm. So yeah. Hold on, let me just check my map here. Just scroll in here. Alright, so where do we want to go? So I could turn out here and go across, and go down and sleep. I gotta sleep somewhere. So I can get gas. I'll get gas here, and then we'll come. We can't do that. So let's just see what's down this. Okay, so if I come here, I can go down here. Okay, yeah, we'll do that, and then I'll come back up to Plaster and Sons. So, ATS just released a new mod, which I think is pretty cool. I probably won't use it though. I probably won't get it. But it's a real arms for when you're in the cab here. You can actually see your the driver's arms. So I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. There's a couple other ones out there right now, but you gotta be careful with that stuff because a lot of it will actually crash your game. So right now, I'm honest, I don't play with any mods in American Truck Simulator, but in Farming Simulator, there's a whole different story. In Farming Simulator, I would say I probably have 100 to 200 mods. You can hear my game yelling at me and telling me to sleep. And that's what the game is going to get. Because I am on my way to sleep right now. So, as you guys stay going, mine's going pretty good. Busy with schoolwork, but it's always fun to make some videos for you guys. So yeah, I had to test out all new settings for my game because you can barely hear the truck audio. The second video I listened to, and then the first video you couldn't even hear my voice. So this off here. Enter key. Ooh, it's a leak. Green key. Turn the lights on. So yeah. Turn our lights on here. signs here. Good. So yeah, we're going to head up to that, and then we'll be good to go. Shut our brake brake off there. I have the engine brake throttle and the engine brake throttle and the manual engine brake. I can just tap it on and off, but I like to use the engine brake hold button, I call it. I call it the engine brake saver, because you don't have to always reach over and hit your engine brake. I do have a control panel on the side here, so probably turn that down. We'll be making our left here pretty soon here. About 5:40, 5:55 on Tuesday morning. And I do not know if they'll... We'll put something up here. Let's see what they got. They have that, but let's go to our... Hit the wrong button there. Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm not connected to the World of Shots. But we'll grab this. It's about a 6-hour drive. We can do that. Where's it at? Yeah, we'll go this way. Are we gonna clear that? Tap. Give it a roll of tap. The only mod I am using is the real Kingpin mod. So, and this is the first time I ever used it. So, going to try to get it. Wait, must not have worked, but I should have Kingpin mod all worked out, but it must not have worked, which that's how a lot of my mods, a lot of the mods I do don't work, on my computer at least. They either crash it, or they say they're on there, but they're really not. Right? Hey, look at that. Exact same truck colors, and exact same truck, and exact same load. Alright, so this will probably be, I'm hoping this weekend to get like an hour and a half long video out. Do like 2 or 3 loads in it. 2, 3, 4 loads. Or may live stream, I don't know. I hope I will be able to live stream. But I don't know what I'm doing this weekend. You know, things pop up and you gotta do what you gotta do. So, yeah. I have not got a lot, I know I haven't got a lot of scooter videos out lately. It's because we've got snow every single week for the past for a month. Where I live, we've just been getting hammered like every single week. And by the time it's either wet out or there's still snow on the ground. So I can't ride scooter. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, what was that? Hit the curb there. Had a rode up curb. I think I rode up curb. Driving 55, that was it. They just bumped it down to 35. I do not want to drive in these back roads or whatever. Where is he gonna go up? Is he gonna know where to go? See if we can get you. We're gonna be turning right here. And of course, the second I stop, it turns green. So, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm not going to put out videos Wednesday and Thursday. That may change because everything I do changes sometimes. So, oh, geez, wasn't paying attention. Oh. So yeah, that's what I'm probably going to do, because it's just a lot easier to do it that way than have to go and, because sometimes I'll edit them, but if you guys want, I can just start putting out better content. Camper van pulled right out in front of me. So, yeah. What's this? Just back down here. Roll up here. Why do I still have headlights on? I guess it's 7. It's not too early. Somewhat be, I think that would be a time most people would be still traveling on at 7 a.m. Hey, perfect. Oh, we got turn here. I'm just not paying attention. This Cadillac is gonna go, and yeah, I want to try to make this. All right. idea what happened to my game just then. Just like shot up, split. It's weird. It's never done that before. Probably stay in my lane. I can't figure out how you roll your windows down. Anyone knows? Please let me know. I thought I was supposed to turn there, but it's up here. That turn right there was part shop. If any of you guys live in Texas, I know you guys have been getting hit pretty bad with snow and weather and all that stuff. A lot of you guys down there are out of power and stuff like that. It must not be fun. Trust me, I would lose my mind. Like there was no running water. No heat, no nothing. Nope, not one. I don't think I've ever filmed at a way station before. But I will be today. Drag off, then you just pull slowly through here in about second gear, and then you come up, and then you get your weight on 53,000 pounds, 53,706 pounds. Not bad. I've been 75, 80 before. So, you just get some speed here, turn your bike on, and usually there's somebody coming, so you gotta go all on the shoulder and all that. So, that's kind of helpful. Nobody was coming. Just get right out into your lane. So yeah, we'll finish this load off here, and then we'll be good. Share this with your friends to keep me having rolling content out for you guys. Share it with your friends. My goal is by the end of 2021 to have 100 subscribers. I don't know if that'll happen, but you guys are awesome, so it probably will. Alrighty, I'll stop talking so you guys can hear the truck. Alright, so I'm still trying to find out how you roll your windows down. when we drop this off here, that'll probably be it for the video, and then next time I catch up with you guys, I'm probably going to do quite a bit of off-camera driving. Oh, my dog's in there. Speeding. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do some camera off video work to get quite a bit of this stuff done. Do a couple of loads tonight, cause I'll just sit here out my wheel and shifter and my computer and just drive away. I know that money in the top right corner of that little box there on the side, I know that's only $246,000 and about $130. And that is perfectly fine of where I'm at, because I started with 125,000, I believe, for a month or two ago. So I've been running quite a bit of loads everywhere. So yeah, I've been running loads everywhere. I haven't unlocked any states yet, but I went from one corner down to the bottom of that state, and then from the bottom of that state down all the way to back to that bottom, and all the way down to basically the end of the map in 3 loads. It was 3 or 4 loads. They were all like 25 hours, so, and that made me quite a bit of money. Probably, oh no. I gotta come in this. Yep, I think. Nope, not good. About 12 more minutes of this load there. Tired today, I don't know why. So this will probably come out tonight, actually. Because I was supposed to record it last night and post it this morning at 6. But I forgot to. I was busy last night. I was outside shoveling snow for a couple of hours, doing my neighbors' driveways and stuff like that. So yeah. Shut my Jake brake off here. Okay. So I don't know what they ordered. I guess we're putting it in this barn. Why am I in 6th gear? Is that my question? That's my question. I don't really know why I'm in 6th gear. It's going in that barn back there, I believe. back of Sawdin. No, it's probably not the best you've seen, but it's probably the worst you've seen. But I should have just... those things where it goes better in your head. Hey. I didn't do any pull-ups. Like, I pulled in. I went forwards, but that was it. Okay. Unhook our trailer here. Let's see how much money we made. Okay. Let's see. $4,657. Not bad, not bad. Alright guys, this is probably gonna be the end of the video for today. I hope you all enjoyed. Come on back probably this weekend and I'll have another one out for you guys. Alrighty.